I'm gonna get them racks, so baby, they so long. Said I wasn't nothing, but I came in strong. You got the best advice, but I won't call.
Hey doll babies, welcome back to another video. So I'm gonna show you guys how to bleach this hair first. So you're gonna need a mixing bowl, you're gonna need some bleaching powder. I got some Respot. You're gonna need some 40 developer, and now I'm just gonna take some scoops and put that in that bowl. Now it's time to bleach the knots on this frontal, and this frontal hairline is thick, honey. I'm going to be taking the 40 developer, and I'm just going to be pouring that into the mixing bowl. Now I use quite a lot of this stuff because we're bleaching the knots and bleaching the hair, so you're going to want to need a good mixture of it. Now it's time to bleach the knots, and what I'm doing is I'm just patting the bleach onto the lace very carefully, because you don't want the bleach to seep through the lace and you have orange roots. That is not the way to go at all. And finally, the lace is fully covered. I let the knots bleach for about 20 minutes, and then I finally wash out the hair. You can see the knots is bleached successfully and the lace is see-through, and look at that party area, girl. It's looking natural. Now I'm going to start bleaching the hair all throughout. And I like to open up the hair to really make sure I'm getting every little part and make sure this bleach is taken, girl.
Baby, I'll switch this up. Goes.
Now I'm going to let the bleach sit on the hair for 40 minutes. The hair color I'm going to be using is Crimson by Adore. As you can see, what I'm going to do, I'm just spread that throughout the hair and make sure I get every strand of hair. We do not want no blonde hair at all, ladies. Make sure everything is covered.
Baby, switch this up. Those. Yeah.
Now the color is done, and I'm going to let the color sit in the hair for a day because I really want this color to pop. I really want it to last. I don't want it to fade away, so the longer you do leave it in, the better. Okay guys, so here is the finishing look. Look at the color. It is so pretty. So basically what I did is I made the hair into a wig. I plucked the hairline just a little bit. I put flexi rods on this hair for one day, and look out the outcome. The curls came out very good. This hair is great. It took the bleach well, took the color well. There's still a bounce to it. What I can say is it came out a little bit frizzy, but I just put some polishing serum and it made the curls look brand new. Now this hair is from I don't know how to pronounce it. It's from Eullair hair. Yeah, you girl, you. All the hair details will be in a description box below. Honey, like, shake, test, approve. Again, if you didn't see, the color of this hair was Adore Crimson. It's Adore Crimson. And yes, honey. So I will keep you guys updated. I will be doing, I'm gonna be fair, since I didn't have this hair, I only had this hair for like a week. So I'm gonna make another updated video, you know, a 1 month updated video on this hair and how the color is taken. And I will keep you guys updated on that. But so well, so far, we is slaying. So thank you, dog baby, so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new, make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit that bell button so you can get notified every time I post. I love you guys all so truly, and I see you in the next video. Bye.